In the following lessons, we will see how to create a digital flipbook directly from scratch using Flipsnack's inbuilt design studio. From the main dashboard area, go to the top right corner of the screen and click Create from Scratch. After that, you land on a screen that showcases several things you can do from here. The Create from Scratch option automatically creates an A4 sized flipbook by default. However, if you click the drop-down arrow, you'll see a list of other preset sizes. You can also select Custom Size to import your own width and height in pixels. Then click Create New Design to launch the design studio with those dimensions. Next to the Create from Scratch card, there is also a Make a Template card, which allows you to create a reusable template for future projects. This opens the design studio with a blank A4 canvas, or you can choose a custom size by clicking the drop-down arrow. Keep in mind that if you've previously created templates, you'll find them neatly organized under the My Templates section, located just below. This area displays your most recently created templates. And last but not least, you can start from one of our own pre-made templates. You can also scroll down to explore template categories. Each template can be visually previewed before you select it, so you can see its design, structure, and interactivity in detail. Here is where you will spend most of your time when creating a flipbook from scratch. In the app header, you can find the Flipsnack logo, which takes you back to the main dashboard if you click on it. Then you have the File menu. If you click this, a drop-down menu will appear with multiple options, including the flipbook settings. From this area, you can modify the size of your flipbook if you aren't happy with what you initially selected. And you can also set the editing style from single page to double page. It's important to note that changing the size of your flipbook will only alter the page size. It won't rearrange the elements that you have already added to your pages. These need to be manually rearranged. Also, changing the editing style to double page mode will remove the option for you to display your flipbook in single page format after it goes live. So if you plan on sharing your flipbook in single page format, this option should not be selected. Moving on, we find the View menu. From here, you can zoom in or out in order to get a better view, and you can also enable or disable different UI elements that could help you when creating your flipbook. Next, we have the Help menu, where you can find a link to our Help Center and a bunch of different useful videos. Then comes the Title section. Here is where you can title your flipbook. In the top right corner, you can see the Customize button, which takes you to the Customization section, a Download button from where you can download your flipbook in a variety of different static formats, and a Preview button. This is very useful if you want to see how your flipbook will look like from your reader's perspective. You also have the Share Now button, which you click on when you're ready to share your flipbook with your audience. If you click the small arrow next to it, you also have another way to reach the Customize section. And finally, you have the Account picture. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu for your account settings and details. The left sidebar has different elements that help you make your flipbooks more interactive and engaging. You can add links, slideshows, pop-ups, videos, GIFs, shapes, or stickers, just to name a few. You can also browse through our collection of professionally made templates. These can be applied to your flipbook and then modified to fit your vision. In later lessons, we will go in depth on each particular area of the sidebar so that you get a better idea of how to use these elements to your benefit. Moving to the right sidebar. Here is where you can access the pages and the layers. If you click on Pages, at the bottom you'll see various actions such as adding a new page, duplicating a page, or deleting a page. The Pages tab is very useful for rearranging your pages, as you can do so by dragging them around. The Layers tab is similar, except here, you'll first need to select an element to be able to click on actions, but is just as useful when it comes to rearranging elements. The actual work area is called the Canvas, and here you can find the actual flipbook page and the elements that you add to it. If you look at the top of the page, you will see a bunch of different options. You can leave notes for yourself or other colleagues, add new pages, lock this particular page so that no new elements can be added to it, move the page up or down, duplicate the page with all of its current elements, and also delete the page. At the bottom of the page, you have another option for adding new pages. On the left of the canvas, you will find a few shortcuts that you can use to add a link, a text box, a video, a shape, a comment, or a comment to your flipbook page. If you select an element from your flipbook page, then other options will appear as well. For example, selecting an image or a text box will bring up the opacity option. You can then use this slider to make certain elements more or less opaque.